Imagine looking up at the vast star-filled night sky. For millennia, humanity has wondered about our place in the universe. Now, we're creating a new kind of intelligence right here on Earth, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the science of making machines smart, teaching computers to learn, reason, and solve problems. Think of how a child learns to recognize a cat. AI learns in a similar way, but with vast amounts of data, pictures, sounds, and text. It finds patterns too complex for humans to see, allowing machines to make decisions, predictions, and even create new things. AI isn't a conscious robot from science fiction. It's a collection of tools and systems, from simple programs to complex learning machines. Some AI plays chess, others adapt to many situations. This quiet revolution is happening inside computer chips all around us. AI is an extension of our intellect, a powerful new lens to explore the universe and ourselves. We stand at the dawn of a new age, much like when our ancestors first harnessed fire or invented the wheel. This technology is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. Now we have a partner in exploration, AI, to help us answer questions we haven't even thought to ask. It's not about replacing us, but about expanding what's possible. The journey into artificial intelligence is a journey we're all on together. Our future will be shaped by both human and machine intelligence. The story of AI is just beginning. Your smartphone is more than a communication tool. It's a vessel for artificial intelligence. Every time you unlock your phone with your face, AI analyzes your features in a split second. When you search your photo gallery for beach or dog, AI recognizes objects and organizes your memories. It even enhances your photos automatically, adjusting light and color. Typing a message? AI predicts your next word and corrects spelling, learning your writing style over time. Virtual assistants use AI to understand your voice, answer questions, and set reminders. The more you use your phone, the smarter it becomes, recommending music, news, and routes tailored to you. AI personalizes your digital experience, making life easier and more connected. Your smartphone is now a portal to the digital cosmos, curated by invisible AI algorithms. It's a constant companion, learning and adapting to your needs. AI in your pocket is quietly transforming daily life. The future of mobile technology is inseparable from artificial intelligence. We're already living in the age of smart devices. Humanity has always been a species of travelers, and now AI is our new guide. When you search for flights, AI analyzes millions of data points to find the best deals instantly. Navigation apps use AI to predict traffic, reroute you around jams, and save you time. Ride-sharing apps match drivers and passengers efficiently, reducing wait times and empty rides. In shipping, AI manages the global flow of packages, optimizing routes for speed and efficiency. AI is the unseen force keeping our world moving. The future? Self-driving cars powered by AI will navigate, obey laws, and avoid obstacles, potentially reducing accidents and giving new freedom to many. AI is transforming not just how we travel, but what it means to be mobile. From planning trips to arriving safely, AI is our silent co-pilot. The journey is smoother, safer, and smarter thanks to artificial intelligence. Our relationship with travel is being redefined. The next era of mobility is already on the horizon. AI is steering us into the future. The human body is the most complex machine we know, and AI is revolutionizing how we care for it. AI analyzes medical data at speeds impossible for humans, leading to breakthroughs in disease detection and treatment. In medical imaging, AI spots subtle signs of disease, sometimes earlier and more accurately than experts. This empowers doctors, giving them superpowered diagnostic tools. AI accelerates drug discovery, simulating how molecules interact and identifying promising treatments faster. Wearable devices use AI to monitor heart rate, sleep, and activity, alerting us to health issues before symptoms appear. AI provides personalized health advice, acting as a 24/7 health coach. It's changing how we manage our well-being, making healthcare more personal and proactive. The digital doctor is here, supporting both patients and professionals. AI is not replacing doctors. It's making them more effective. The future of medicine is smarter, faster, and more accessible. AI is transforming the future of human health. Every major technological leap has brought immense benefits, and AI is no exception. AI handles dangerous, difficult, or tedious tasks, exploring the deep sea, repairing power lines, or automating factory work. This frees humans to focus on creativity, innovation, and connection. AI is a powerful tool for scientific discovery, analyzing massive data sets from galaxies to DNA. It helps astronomers find new planets, models climate change, and advances physics. AI-powered technologies make the world more accessible, turning speech into text, reading aloud, or powering advanced prosthetics. In education, AI creates personalized learning plans, reaching students everywhere. It can level the playing field, giving everyone a chance to reach their potential. AI is already making life better in countless ways. It's a microscope for complexity and a bridge to new possibilities. The benefits of AI are real, present, and growing. We're only beginning to see what's possible. Every powerful technology brings challenges, and AI is no different. One major concern is bias. AI learns from our data, and if that data is biased, so is the AI. This can reinforce inequalities, so we must carefully monitor and correct AI systems. Privacy is another issue. AI collects vast personal data, raising questions about ownership and protection. We need strong rules to safeguard our rights in the age of AI. As AI becomes more complex, understanding its decisions, the black box problem, becomes harder. We must ensure transparency and accountability with clear human oversight. Navigating AI's future requires wisdom, ethics, and vigilance. Technology has always changed work, and AI is the latest force reshaping our jobs. Some roles, especially repetitive tasks, will be automated, just as machines replaced farmhands and scribes. This transition is challenging, but history shows new technology also creates new jobs. AI will open roles we can't yet imagine. AI trainers, ethicists, data scientists, and more. The future of work will demand creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, uniquely human skills. Lifelong learning and adaptability will be key. We must invest in education that teaches us how to learn and collaborate with AI. The goal isn't to compete with machines, but to work alongside them. By preparing for change, we can ensure AI's benefits are shared by all. The future of work can be brighter, with better jobs for everyone. Life on Earth is built on symbiosis, mutually beneficial relationships. Now we're entering a new partnership: humans and artificial intelligence. AI excels at analysis and computation, processing information at incredible speed. It handles data, manages systems, and finds insights, freeing us to focus on creativity and ethics. Humans bring curiosity, creativity, emotional intelligence, and moral judgment. Together we achieve more than either could alone. Already, doctors use AI for diagnosis, architects for design, and scientists for discovery. In each case, human values guide the technology. The future is about collaboration, not competition. Our greatest achievements will come from this partnership. We stand at the edge of a new era, the age of artificial intelligence. Like every great journey, it brings both promise and challenge. But we are the architects of this future, shaping AI according to our values. We can build systems that are fair, transparent, and empowering. Imagine AI managing resources efficiently, eradicating disease, and providing personalized education. AI can free us to focus on art, science, and human connection. The universe is vast, and AI is our tool to explore it further. This is not the end of the human story, but a new beginning. AI reflects our intelligence and joins us in our quest for knowledge. Let's move forward with wonder, collaboration, and hope. The cosmos awaits.